So,
The first one is matuta sa file, import data, then choose Excel. Then morning book 2. Una ta sa descriptive statistics, then frequencies. Balhin siya sa variables, then statistics. Atong i-checkan ang mean, median, mode. Sunod, standard deviation, variance, and range. Then, ang percentiles. Then, 25. Add. 75. Ay, 27. Mani, isa na pag-edit. Ay, dara. Remove, then, balik 75. Sunod, 30, no? 20. Sunod, 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. Last 80. And 90. Then continue. Okay. So mauna ni ang result sa makita na ang mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, range, percentiles, and then ang descriptive statistics. Mga siya.
and to find the z-scores, let's go to analyze, go to descriptive statistics and descriptives. And you have to transfer the z-scores, and you should check the save standardized values as variables, then click OK, and here you'll find the z scores. So when you go to your SPSS, it will be automatically appear here.
So in order to get the T-quiz, agitaon first sa transform, then compute variable, then we'll have to type the T-quiz. Nya. So magbutang tawag open parenthesis, atong ibutang si z-score. And then we'll multiply it by 10, and then i-plus na to si 50. So we'll press OK, and then mo ni siya ang result sa T-quiz.